What's up, guys? I want to show you this bag that Sole Premise sent me. This bag is straight fire. Sneakerheads, listen up in the beginning of this video. This is for you. Trust me, I'm going to help you right now. So right here is a Sole Premise backpack. Let me show you guys how awesome this bag is for sneakerheads. Guys, the bag holds my sneakers inside of the bag. As you guys can see, I have 2 pairs of Yeezys chilling in there. And check this out. At the top of the bag, I have my MacBook chilling right here inside the computer. So when I'm on the go, it's perfect. I could also fit more space for some more clothing as well. Take a look at the front of the bag. Really nice white color. They have a bunch of colors, different materials. Really nice leather used on this bag. And I have more space as well with some more gold zippers for some more storage. Plenty of space in this bag as well. Sole Premise backpacks are perfect for sneakerheads who are traveling. These bags are great. Tons of backpacks, duffel bags, all different types of bags, all different colors and styles. TSA approved. Be sure to click my link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise and use my discount code DannyMoore for 40% off your order from SolePremise.com. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Racer Blue Air Jordan 3s. Here they are. Let me know down in the comments. Let me know if they're a cop or a drop. Personally, these are an easy pass. I think these are trash. If I'm going to keep it 100% with you guys, I think these are trash. Just an easy pass. I was able to get them early. And, yeah, show you guys the shoe here on the channel. So why not? Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about these. I personally think they're trash because of the elephant print. I think they just killed it. They did an awful job. I don't like how dark it is. I wish it was how it's supposed to be. Here with the true blue Air Jordan 3 with real, you know, nicer looking, I should say, elephant print. This elephant print is not great, but it's much better than this. Let me know what you guys think about that. You like the regular elephant print, cement print, or you like the darker one? Trash in my opinion, but here they are. Let me know what you guys think about them down below. Take a look at the box real quick. They did switch up the box, so we got the elephant print on one side and the Racer Blue Jumpman there on the other as I drop the box. This is a dope shoe. Colorway wise, I like the blue. I just don't like the black. It's the elephant print. The only thing that kills it for me. Other than that, I think it's a dope shoe. The blue is nice. Materials are dope. They did a really good job when it comes to leather quality. I do want to show you guys how nice the tumbled leather is. It's pretty soft there to the touch. They did a really good job when it comes to materials, especially on the upper. Take a look how nice and tumbled and soft that leather is. Jumpman Air on the back. No Nike Air like it is here on the True Blue. But it's all good. Got the Jumpman slapped on the back there. A blue Jumpman on the tongue. They did a nice job other than the elephant print. My only complaint about the shoe. Jordan 3 at the end of the day. Comfortable, true to size. Very, very nice bottom. With the gray, the blue. Very dope. White upper. Simple. They kept it simple. The Jordan 3 is just a simple shoe. You know, they're very, very simple, easy to rock, easy to wear. This is going to be an easy shoe to throw on, easy shoe to wear. I just don't like them because of the elephant print. Maybe it's just me. I can't get over it. It's an easy pass. They're trash if you ask me because of the elephant print. Other than that, the blue is really dope. Jordan 3 is a really good model. I love the Jordan 3. They will not be hyped. These will not be too hyped. Won't be too hard to get. I do expect them to sell out. Everything sells out nowadays. I don't expect there to be resale at all. These are going to be bricks. These are going to be bricks. These will go for retail all day, every day. And that's about it. In some cases, probably even under retail. So I don't see them selling too well. Day of release will probably be the best time to go ahead and get rid of them. And when people get in their pairs within the next week after release, they'll drop even more. Guys, these are not going to do well at all. And in my opinion, that elephant print, man, is just trash. Just don't like it. I can't get over it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. What do you think about the elephant print? Other than that, it's a clean shoe. It's clean. I think the 3 is a really good model. And they did some really nice materials. And they gave us a little switch up here with the eyelets being some gray as well, which is dope. And gray on the tongue. Gray on the tongue as well, up to the white Jumpman. I'm not crazy about the tongue switch up. I do kind of wish it was all white like it is on most Air Jordan 3s, especially Jordan 3s that we all know and love, such as the True Blue. Here's a look at True Blue versus the new pair right here. True Blue is more of a darker blue, definitely of a darker True Blue. And this is a Racer Blue, so definitely brighter of a blue, and doesn't even come close, in my opinion. I'm going to go with the True Blue all day, every day. Let me know what you guys think about the Racer Blue Air Jordan 3s down below in the comments. Let me know if you're going to be picking them up when they do release this Saturday for a retail price of $190. Full family sizing. I do expect them to eventually sell out and not be hard to get. Not be too hard to get. If you put in the footwork, this should be an easy comp for you if this is something you're looking to pick up. Resellers, like I said, stay away from them. You're not going to make money on them. You'll make a few dollars if you're lucky, and move on to the next release as per usual. This is a dope shoe though, nonetheless. Just the elephant print's killing it for me, man. Killing it for me, that elephant print. Let me know what you guys think about them down below in the comments. Be sure to hit that thumbs up if you guys love early reviews. Let me know by hitting that thumbs up. That'll let me know that you guys love these early review videos, and I'll go out there and buy more early sneakers. So be sure to let me know by hitting that thumbs up. That really does help the channel grow. And be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys love sneaker content, which I know you do. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. You watching, hit that subscribe button. Become a member of the More family. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Let me know what you think about the Racer Blue Jordan 3s. Let me know what you guys think about this darker elephant print. Just can't get over it, man. Cannot get over it. I'm going to take this all day. Let me know what you guys think about them down below. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys check out today's video sponsor. I love you. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Got a brand new Jordan 1 giveaway coming very, very soon. So be sure to stay tuned for a brand new Jordan 1 giveaway. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching.